Hello, a warm welcome to the first business day of the new year. I'm Sage and thanks for joining me on Kalkine TV. We've got the ASX buzzing stocks for the day, the first edition for 2023 for you, and we'll be bringing you all the financial news that we can fit into one report. So buckle up and get ready for a rollercoaster ride on the markets. And taking a look at the Australian share market, it began its day higher following solid gains on European markets overnight. It is also an improvement over the downbeat end to 2022. The S&P ASX 200 was up today, gaining 20.40 points or 0.29% to reach 7,059.10. As of the 3rd of January, 10:06 a.m. Sydney time, and the ASX 200 fell 5.5%, while the broader All Ordinaries Index dropped 7.2% over the past year. Just a few days ago. This marks their biggest annual loss, actually, since 2018. And today, on the first trading day of 2023, the bottom performing stocks in the index were Ingham's Group down 1.75% and Monadelphous Group down 0.75%. However, the top performers were BrainChip up 4.02% and Core Lithium up 3.902%. That was current at 10:26 a.m. Australian Eastern Daylight Savings Time. Sector-wise, 6 of 11 sectors were higher along with the S&P ASX 200 index. Materials was the best performing sector, gaining 0.39% and rebounding from its recent decline. And this sector has been off negative 0.53% for the past 5 days. Looking at the business news now, Perpetual announced today that the regulatory approval conditions set out in the scheme implementation deed with Pendal Group have now been satisfied. The implementation of the scheme remains subject to other conditions. Perpetual said that these regulatory approval conditions were a prerequisite for paying the special dividend announced on 13th December 2022. And today the company has declared a special dividend of 35 cents per share, fully franked for Perpetual shareholders, with a record date of 10th January 2023 and will be payable on the 8th of February 2023. Perpetual's dividend reinvestment policy will remain in place for those shareholders who have elected to reinvest their dividends. Moving along to Weebit Nano, they've released demonstration chips to manufacturing integrating its embedded resistive random access memory module in an advanced 22 nanometer fully depleted silicon on insulator process technology. And this will be the first tape out of Weebit resistive RAM in 2022 nanometers, one of the industry's most common process nodes. And a geometry where embedded flash is not viable either. Kobe Hannock, CEO of Weebit Nano, said they have tapped out on schedule for its first demo chip in 22 nanometers. And the company continues accelerating Weebit's path towards more advanced geometries to meet a clear market need in applications such as microcontrollers, Internet of Things, 5G, Edge AI, as well as automotive. Ventia Services Group has extended a contract with the Government of Western Australia to continue providing court security and custodial services. Commencing in March of 2023, the contract is valued at approximately $229 million over 4 years. A further optional 5-year extension remains, and Group Executive Defence and Social Infrastructure Derek Osborne said the Government of Western Australia has been a valued client for the past 6 years. The unique and dynamic challenges involved in a contract like this require an operator that can balance security and welfare in complex operating environments. All right, well, thanks so much for joining us on the first ASX buzzing stocks for the day for 2023. Another episode's coming your way tomorrow. Until then, please keep watching Kalkine TV for the latest market insights and business news. Sage signing off for now.